Alright, here's my kitty. This is my 1-year-old kitty. Here comes. Oh my god. The camera. Oh yeah, she got paused. She's pregnant. She's been about a month old pregnant. Yeah, there she is. Her ears, her nose, her mouth. Pretty cute. We've had this cat for a year. We've had her since December 11th, 2021. So we've had this car for a year. Cat for a year. And here she comes. What if I go over here? See what she does. Here she comes. Oh my god. Let's see. This is what she does all the time. Look. She does that all the time. She just sniffs the wall, the corner of the wall. Let me go over here, actually. See if she finds me. Will she find me? Yep, she found me. She found me. She always does this. And I just water on the floor. Just look at it. Alright guys, so I'll end the video and bye.